What did the note say?
It said...
Can you show it to me? I forgot. What does it say?
It said...
Read it. Show it. Show me the words. Point to them like you did before.
This... I want Mommy to get me ice cream right now because I want her to.
And that's what the note says? Unbelievable.
What else are you writing? What does that say?
X.
For what?
For you.
Why?
Because I want you to give me ice cream.
So you put an X? Why?
Because.
Because why?
I don't know.
Oh. What does that one say?
Alright. Now,
Whoa, that's a big one. What does that one say? Can you read it to me?
Hold on. It says, I want you to get me ice cream right now because I want ice cream because I want right now for me.
that's what it says?